Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that we all can benefit from: detoxing. Whether you've been feeling sluggish, bloated, or just out of sync, your body might be sending you a message that it's time for a reset. But don't worry, you don't need fancy cleanses or expensive juices to detox your body. The truth is, your body is designed to detox naturally, and you can help it along simply by eating the right foods. So, in this video, we're going to explore everyday foods that will help you naturally detox, support your liver, boost your energy, and make you feel lighter and more refreshed. Ready to kickstart your detox? Let's get into it. Lemon, your morning detox hero. First up on our list is a simple but powerful detox food that you probably already have in your kitchen: lemons. Lemons are nature's detox champions because they're loaded with vitamin C, which helps boost your immune system and support your liver, the body's primary detox organ. Drinking warm lemon water first thing in the morning can help flush out toxins, stimulate digestion, and balance your body's pH levels. It's a great way to kickstart your day and get your detox process moving from the moment you wake up. Detox action: start your day by squeezing half a lemon into a glass of warm water and drink it on an empty stomach. This simple habit can improve digestion, promote hydration, and help your body detox naturally. Leafy greens, the ultimate detox powerhouses. Next on our list are leafy greens, such as spinach, kale, and arugula. These greens are packed with chlorophyll, which helps cleanse the body by neutralizing toxins, especially from harmful chemicals and heavy metals that we're exposed to through pollution and processed foods. Leafy greens are also high in fiber, which aids in digestion and helps your body eliminate waste more efficiently. The antioxidants in greens help fight inflammation, protect your liver, and keep your detox systems working smoothly. Detox action: add a handful of spinach or kale to your morning smoothie, throw some arugula into your salad, or sauté some greens as a side for lunch or dinner. The more greens you eat, the better your body will be able to flush out toxins and stay energized. Garlic, nature's detoxifier. Garlic is not just a flavor booster, it's also a powerful detoxifying food. Garlic contains sulfur compounds that activate liver enzymes, which help your body flush out toxins. It's also rich in antioxidants, which support your immune system and help protect your cells from damage caused by toxins. One of garlic's best benefits is its ability to detoxify heavy metals, especially when consumed raw. It's a great way to give your liver an extra boost and ensure your body is detoxing efficiently. Detox action: to get the most detox benefits, try eating garlic raw. You can crush a clove of garlic and mix it with a little olive oil and lemon juice as a salad dressing, or add it to guacamole. If raw garlic is too strong for you, lightly cooking it in soups or stir-fries is also beneficial. Turmeric, the anti-inflammatory detox booster. Next up is turmeric, one of the most potent anti-inflammatory foods out there. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect the liver from damage while boosting its ability to detoxify the body. Turmeric also helps stimulate bile production, which is essential for breaking down fats and removing waste from the body. Because chronic inflammation can interfere with your body's detox systems, adding turmeric to your diet can help reduce inflammation, support liver function, and keep your detox process running smoothly. Detox action: you can add turmeric to your meals in a variety of ways. Sprinkle it on roasted vegetables, add it to soups and stews, or blend it into smoothies. For an extra detox boost, try a turmeric tea or latte made with almond milk and a pinch of black pepper, which helps increase the absorption of curcumin. Apples, fiber-rich detox fruit. Apples are next on the list because they're loaded with pectin, a type of soluble fiber that helps bind toxins and remove them from your body. Apples are also rich in antioxidants, especially quercetin, which helps protect your liver and promote a healthy immune response. The fiber in apples helps support digestive health by encouraging regular bowel movements, which is essential for removing waste and toxins from your body. Plus, apples are hydrating, low in calories, and can be enjoyed in a variety of ways. Detox action: snack on a fresh apple. Slice one into your salads, or blend it into a smoothie. The fiber and hydration will support your body's natural detox processes and keep your digestive system moving smoothly. Beets. The liver's best friend. Beets are another fantastic detox food because they contain betalains, a powerful antioxidant that supports liver function and helps cleanse the blood. Beets also contain fiber, iron, and vitamin C, all of which are essential for detoxification and reducing inflammation in the body. Beets help the liver detoxify harmful substances more efficiently, and they're also great for improving digestion and reducing bloating. Detox action. Enjoy beets roasted, in salads, or blended into smoothies. You can also drink beet juice, which has a concentrated dose of detoxifying nutrients, but make sure to pair it with some greens or protein to balance out the natural sugars. Ginger, the digestive detoxifier. Let's talk about ginger, another incredible detox food that helps boost digestion and stimulate your body's natural detox processes. Ginger contains compounds called gingerols and shogaols, which have powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Ginger helps reduce bloating, improves circulation, and stimulates digestion, making it easier for your body to process food and eliminate waste. Plus, it helps support your immune system and fight off infections, making it a great addition to your detox routine. Detox action. You can add fresh ginger to your smoothies, stir-fries, or soups. Or, make a soothing detox tea by steeping sliced ginger in hot water with a squeeze of lemon. Ginger can also be used in juices to add a spicy kick while boosting detox benefits. Avocado. The nutrient-dense detoxifier. Avocados are loaded with healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants that support your body's natural detoxification process. They're rich in glutathione, a powerful antioxidant that helps the liver filter out harmful substances. Avocados are also great for promoting heart health, reducing inflammation, and providing sustained energy, all of which support your body's detox systems. Plus, their high fiber content helps keep your digestive system moving and eliminates toxins more effectively. Detox action. Enjoy avocado on toast, in salads, or as a topping for your favorite dishes. You can also blend it into smoothies for a creamy texture and a boost of detoxifying nutrients. Cilantro, heavy metal detoxifier. Cilantro is one of the most effective foods for detoxifying heavy metals, such as mercury and lead, which can accumulate in your body from environmental pollution and certain foods. Cilantro binds to these metals and helps your body eliminate them through urine and stool. It's also rich in antioxidants and phytonutrients, which help reduce inflammation and support overall detoxification. Detox action. Add cilantro to salads, soups, or homemade salsas. You can also blend it into smoothies for an extra detox boost or make a cilantro pesto to use as a topping for fish or chicken. Green tea, the antioxidant detox drink. Lastly, let's talk about green tea, one of the most powerful detox drinks out there. Green tea is packed with catechins, a type of antioxidant that helps boost liver function and support the body's detoxification process. It's also hydrating and can help flush out toxins more quickly. Drinking green tea regularly can also improve metabolism, aid in fat burning, and provide sustained energy without the crash that comes from sugary drinks. Detox action. Try drinking a cup of green tea in the morning or afternoon to stay hydrated and support your body's detox process. If you prefer a cold drink, brew a batch of green tea, chill it, and add lemon for a refreshing detox drink. You can detox naturally with these everyday foods. There you have it, 10 everyday foods that can help you detox your body naturally. These aren't fancy or hard to find ingredients. They're simple, nutritious foods that you can easily incorporate into your daily routine. Remember, your body is already amazing at detoxing itself, but by adding these foods to your diet, you can give your system the extra support it needs to stay healthy, energized, and toxin-free. So next time you're at the grocery store, stock up on these detoxifying foods, and start feeling the benefits. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest health tips and tricks.